Hello friends. So in our previous lecture in this project only we have created this one, right? Now first of all let's go to file, let's save it as. Now you will learn how to save Illustrator files. Yes friend. Let's save it as project 2 part 1. Well, yeah. So when you are saving your Illustrator file, it will ask you about few options. You can check these: uh, create PDF compatible file, use compression, transparency, some warnings, only fonts with appropriate permission bits will be embedded, version Illustrator CC. You can even save it for other versions also. Say for example your friend is using Illustrator CS5 or CS6. You can save it in those formats also. Okay, now let's click on OK. So now it got saved and here is the file name, project 2 part 1. Now again let's go to file, let's save it as project 2 part 2. Now you will see that there is an extension .ai. That means it is Adobe Illustrator file. Yes friend. Now we are going to create a leaf, right? And we can draw a leaf using ellipse tool. You are wondering, right, that how we can draw? Well, see, I am drawing it here. Well, first of all, let's draw an ellipse. Let's provide a fill to it. See this green. Now, let's select the direct selection tool. This is the direct selection tool. Yes, friend. And select at the bottom. Yes, friend. Now, these are anchor points. You don't have to bother about anchor points now because that we'll be covering in mastering pen tool section. So don't worry about it now. Just remember that everything which you are drawing are made up of these points, these anchor points. If you take a look, say this line, see, this is an anchor point, this is an anchor point. Let's select this path. See, for curves also we are having some anchor points. See, so all the shapes that you are drawing are built up with anchor points. So since this is also a shape, ellipse is a shape, these are also made up of anchor points. Now just come here, you will see this pen tool is there. From here select anchor point tool. Now just click on this point. This is an anchor which is having handles, right? Handles. Now don't bother about anchor handles now, that we will cover later on, but just for this project I am just showing it to you. So just come here and let's convert it to anchor point. So now it will become a pointed anchor point, and see, now let's select the selection tool, select it, and let's decrease the stroke to 1 point, and let's go to view, show bounding box. Yes friend, go to view and let's show the bounding box, and if it is already showing then you can hide it just by using this option, hide bounding box, and you can see the keyboard shortcut is shift control B or control shift B. So control shift, let's come here, let's select the object, control shift B, control shift B. See, Okay, and you can rotate it like this, and you can just place it here. That's it, guys. Or let's place it here, and let's shrink it a little bit and place it here. So this is a cute looking leaf. Even you can copy it. Now how you can copy it? Remember, select the object, press Alt and drag. Yup, and let's place it here. And now we need to transform it. Remember how we can do that? Right click, transform, let's reflect it, and that's it. Hit OK. So there you go. Select it and nudge it properly. So that's cool looking leaves, isn't it? Okay, so these are some simple projects, but there are many tips and tricks which I am trying to share with you all so that you can also create these kind of cool projects. Now another thing is left, using the width tool. Yes friend, with width tool we are going to create cool looking spirals that we will see in our next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.